Want to get rid of those pesky sidebars on your WordPress posts or pages and give your content a cleaner, distraction-free look? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove the sidebar from any WordPress page or single post, using an easy plugin method that doesn't require you to touch a single line of code. By the end, you'll be able to take full control over your page layout for a sleeker, more focused reading experience. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to know is that not every WordPress theme gives you a built-in way to remove sidebars. Sometimes the layout options are pretty limited, and if that's the case, don't worry, this is exactly why plugins exist. With the right plugin, you can manage sidebars on a per-page or per-post basis, even if your theme doesn't directly support it. So step 1 is to install a plugin that specializes in sidebar control. There are a few solid choices out there, like full-width templates for any theme in Page Builder, or another option called content-aware sidebars. Both of these are popular and trusted in the WordPress community. For this walkthrough, let's go with full-width templates for any theme in Page Builder, since it's straightforward and does exactly what we're looking for. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins in the left menu. Then hit Add New. In the search box, type in the name of your chosen plugin. Again, we're using full-width templates for any theme in Page Builder. Once it shows up in the search results, just click Install Now, and when it's finished installing, go ahead and activate it. This part might take a few moments, especially if your website's dashboard isn't the fastest, but hang tight. Once it's activated, you're ready for the next step. Now choose the specific page or post where you want that sidebar gone. Maybe it's a landing page, a portfolio, or a special blog post, anywhere you want your audience's eyes to go straight to your main content. Go to Pages or Posts in your dashboard and hit Edit on that item. Here, where the magic of the plugin comes in. When you open up the editor, you'll notice a new settings box, or sometimes a dropdown in the right-hand sidebar or at the bottom of the editor panel. This box is there thanks to the plugin you just installed. It might say something like template or layout. Take a moment to look for options like full width or no sidebar. The exact wording can vary, but these are what you're looking for. Select the layout that promises no sidebar. Quick tip, if you don't see the new plugin settings right away, make sure you've activated the plugin and refresh the editor page. Plugin interfaces sometimes take a second to pop up, especially after first installing. Once you've selected the no sidebar layout, it's time to seal the deal. Hit Update for the page or post, and that's it. Head over to the front end of your website and take a look. You should see your content stretched out across the page with no sidebar getting in the way. It's as simple as that. If you ever want to bring the sidebar back or switch to a different layout, you can just revisit this settings box and pick a different template. That flexibility is why plugins like this are handy. They let you customize on a post-by-post basis without worrying about theme limitations or code. So that's the whole process. If this tutorial helped you clear up your WordPress layout, give the video a thumbs up. Got any questions or run into a hiccup? Drop a comment below. I check them regularly and I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more WordPress tips and tricks, don't forget to hit subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.